Good morning.
Good morning.
Barely hear you, Natalie, if that's you. I can't tell.
Yeah, it is.
I can, oh, that's why. My computer volume's down, sorry, that's why. You get to look at reading yesterday?
Yes.
It was a lot. Well, we went through some of it. We went through the Nearpod and did some of the pages. I mean, probably every page you did, if you got to do those pages, we did those pages.
I have an eye appointment today.
Yeah, what time?
1, I think.
So you'll probably have to go through reading again. Okay? And then the social studies, hopefully we can get to that.
I did the social studies.
The Nearpod?
Yeah.
Oh, beans and cheese. And you're done with that. So just reading probably. Make sure you type your name in the chat.
Hello.
Where's Jacob at? With you. We're going to do some math out of the binder, then we're going to do a Nearpod. Ooh. That math is a lot.
Are we gonna get our math binder?
Yes. Make sure you have your math binder. That's what we need first for today.
I will be back.
Jacob. Wondering where you were at.
We get our math binders?
Yes.
Okay.
Audrina, we're missing Audrina's normally here. And then Adrian. Let's see. Oh, Chloe has a dentist appointment this morning. Make sure you have your math.
What page are we doing?
We're probably going to do basic facts. Basic facts 4, and then we'll go into place value.
Okay. Let me just get my.
Wait. As we wait, if you want to look at basic facts 4, you're more than welcome to start that if you want to start it. It looks like, I'll show you what it looks like. Basic facts for, looks like this. Oops. Why does it do that? I always think it's gonna look the right way. Basic facts 4. That's what it looks like. There's 4 up at the top.
I got it.
Just wanted to show it to y'all. You can wait. Work on it right now if you want to while we wait. But flags and stuff like you normally do.
You're not going to be doing that.
There's Audrina. Audrina, make sure you have your math. She's coming prepared. She's got her math binder. I see it.
Wait, Natalie.
Huh?
You hear Miss Ganetto in the background?
I
heard Miss Ganetto in the background.
I have a sibling. Somebody has a sibling in her class, maybe. So yesterday we went over our, oh, that's what you didn't get to do, Natalie, our vocabulary. I'll have to send you a picture of it. Wrote down vocabulary. So one of our vocabulary words was independence yesterday, which is like freedom from control or anything. And Natalie's mom was telling me how she's being very independent in coming into the Zoom meetings and stuff and doing everything by herself. So that's an example of like independence. She's not really relying a lot on her mom or her parents to help her out. She's trying to get onto Zooms by herself, kind of doing Canvas by herself. So that's like an example of independence.
Because my brothers, they don't get onto Zoom. They don't want to. And they're having a hard time with them.
What grade are they in? Middle school and stuff?
No, they're both in high school.
Oh, that's why. Because they're in high school. They don't want to go to class. But Natalie's being very independent or showing a lot of
My brother, he does the same thing. He's in high school.
showing her independence during her work, I guess, and logging in. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised that a lot of the high schoolers don't want to go to school. But
yeah.
And I think a lot of y'all, for the most part,
One of my oldest brothers.
Well, every school year gets harder and harder and harder, then it goes to the hardest.
Yeah, but it's probably harder for high school kids because they're just like, I don't want to do it.
My oldest brother sleeps during the Zoom classes. I have to wake him up.
It goes from 5th grade to middle school, to 8th grade to 7th to high school, and then college.
And once you get
Because
to college,
that's where it gets the hardest.
most of the time you won't go to school every day of the week in college. You'll go like Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. You'll go Tuesday, Thursdays. You don't go as much as you do in
I go every day. I go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
now.
Friday.
Through high school, you go like every day of the week for 8 hours a day. But once you go to college, you're usually only be in school maybe about 6 hours a day, maybe, if that. It'll take like 3 or 4 classes. That's it. All right, let's everybody mute and let's do our pledges. I was watching this on the news I saw where it says that not everybody's doing the pledges in their virtual meetings like they do normally do. Well, we do our pledges every day.
Hey, good morning, friends. Charlie here. We're going to start the day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. All right, so the first thing we do is everybody stand up. Go ahead and quietly stand up. Good. And then when you're standing up, what do we do with our hand, our right hand? Do you know? That's right. You put it on your heart, just like that. And now we're going to recite the Pledge of Allegiance. You ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, great job. You did it. Have a good day at school, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay, Charlie. We'll see you tomorrow.
Turn to face the flag. Place your right hand over your heart. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please wait for a moment of silence.
I don't hear Adrian. I don't hear Adrian coming in. We're missing a few people today. Antonio.
Yeah, even Chloe with the C.
Chloe with the C and Chloe with the K. I know Chloe with the K will be missing this morning. Antonio will probably come in later. Okay. In the meantime, I guess we can work on our basic facts while we wait to see if anybody else comes in here. I'll share my screen.
Can we do it ourselves?
Yeah. Get started on them. I'll give you all a little head start and then I'll fill mine in.
Okay.
Get started on it. Oh, I can't see that one. Oh, it's done. Oh, this one. And for some reason you need this chart, I'll put it there, but I think, Michael, can you hear me, Michael? I got a question for you. Where's Michael? Michael? If you need the chart, it's right there. If you need it. Hopefully you don't need it, but just in case.
It's only the fives.
Only the fives. Fives aren't that.
Yeah.
5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I'll do the top part with y'all, A, B, and C, if y'all just do the bottom part.
That's kind of a problem now. I'm on B.
Okay, then go down to the bottom part and you can get all the rest with y'all.
Plants need to grow. Plants create food for
Here's Michael.
animals to eat. So
Oh,
soil
is that him unmuted? No, that was me. I saw him. No, he's muted. Okay.
He's not here.
Yeah, he's there. I was gonna ask him something, but I'll ask him later. I'll ask him later. Adrian's missing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He's gonna come in a little bit, asking, what are we doing? What is he missing? Oops. I'll give you out to about 8:20. I think it's about 4 minutes. Let's see. It's got all kinds of. It's got 5, 7s. Take this out.
I'm almost done.
Okay, awesome. We got about 2 minutes, maybe a minute and a half. Okie dokie. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Oh, I didn't even finish mine. Oops. 18, 10, 45, 14, 35, 20, 45, 60. Probably can't see all of them. So there's all of them for y'all that finished the bottom. Can y'all see my screen, Audrina? Yeah, okay. Check to see if you got them right. I can't zoom in too much because then you won't be able to see all of them. Right there. Just a little bit. Check your answers. We'll go over the top in a second.
I already finished the top, Ms. Hernandez.
Perfect. Let me see who's joined us in. Oh, there's Ray Ray. Ray Ray, we're working on basic facts 4. Oh, man, my back itches. You check your answers, Jacob?
Yes.
Okay. Y'all still, let me see. Y'all are still working. Natalie's still working. Okay. Five, 7, 5, 6, 8. At 5, what is this? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Get 40. Oh, 35. So 7 times 5 equals 35. And we switch it up. We get 5 times 7 equals 35. And we get 5 times 8 equals 40. 40. And then 8 times 5 equals 40. 45. And then 5 times 9 equals 45. Bam. Something like that. Oh, my back itches.
Me done.
Check your answers. See if you got them right. Thumbs up if you got them all right. I should have because I put the multiplication chart there. You should have got them right.
I have my multiplication chart on my binder.
Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. By the end of December, I hope you don't need that chart anymore. That's the plan.
Cause I had saved it from 3rd grade from Miss Gonzalez.
You're smart. But by the end of the year, this year, like December, I hope you don't need it anymore. That's for everybody. By the end of this year, not the school year, but by December, let's plan on not using it anymore. Unless you need it for like the 9s or maybe the 12s or the 11s that are kind of hard. Whew. Oh, 12. Man, we're missing a few people today. Chloe G. Antonio. Chloe K. We ready to move on?
No, I'm still doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. How to buzz effectively. Oh, like what is that? Some of you are actually doing work ahead of time, aren't you?
I already done that, sorry.
Who is this? Oh, it's me. I was like, who is this? And Natalie did it. Something I did. I like how some of y'all actually go into Canvas and do work ahead of time. All right. You didn't finish? Okay. Natalie, it's okay if you didn't finish. All right? You can always go back if you finish something early or you want to in the morning, tomorrow morning, you don't want to sit here and wait in silence, you can go back to your basic facts. Good job to y'all. Let's see. Before we start, I guess we can watch this place value video as a refresher. Can y'all see my screen right here? Yes?
Do we put our binders away or we just keep them?
Right there, we're gonna watch this place value video and then we're gonna go and do some place value and then I will let you do a Nearpod or another. But refresher for our morning. And this one is in the Nearpod, I think for Tuesday, what we said yesterday. Everybody wanted to watch it.
I sit confused, wondering how. One is worth more than two. Teacher said, don't worry, it's easy. Here's what you got to do. Start from the decimal and you move to the left. You got the ones and tens and the hundreds. Thousand, 10,000, and 100,000s. And finally we are at millions. You gotta know your place value. Don't you know what to do? You gotta know your place value. We can solve anything. You must find its identity. Multiply it correctly. Gotta content you'll see. You found the place now. What happens when it's always the same way. Remember it starts to take your know. Tell it the same So how would you write it after tens, hundreds, and thousands? Follow the same pattern so you know the rest. Just don't forget the THS. No, now I know my place value. Now I know what to do. Now I know my place value. I can solve anything. Find its identity. I multiply it by the power 10 and say, I know my place value.
I wish it would let me know if I created these things, because usually I got all these things to do. Place value, more place value. Today we're gonna do place value to the 100 millions? 10 million. But before we start, place value page, it's gonna say 2B page 3. It's kind of in the middle from yesterday. I want to complete this page. Start out on an easy note. Hold on, let me put it. It's gonna say place value page 2B. Let me zoom in so you can see. Right here. Place value 2B page 3. Find that page. Start here. Yes. Yeah, see it? Place value 2B page 3. It's in the concepts, the yellow part, what we've been working on in place value.
Yesterday we did the 10 millions.
Did we? Okay. Yeah, we did, right? Yes, so this is 10 millions. We're going to do 100 million today, sorry. And tomorrow's billions. I'm lost. Yes. Yes, we're going to do 100 millions. Thank you, Jacob, for reminding me. Can't remember. Page 2B, page 3, or place value 2B, page 3. A thumbs up when you found it. It should be like one page after what we did yesterday. Because we didn't finish page 1. I'm not going to do page 1. Maybe later on we'll do it.
Wait, didn't we do like one?
We didn't do 2B. I'm skipping the first page because I don't want to go through that again. Because we did some Nearpods yesterday with it. So place value 2B, because I want to answer some of these questions right here. Page 3. And what's his name's not here? Adrian's not here to help us. Everybody found it? Audrina? Where's your binder? Come on. Come on. It's kind of in the middle. A thumbs up when you found it, because I want to make sure you're on the right page and it looks exactly like mine. Place value 2B, page 3. Jacob, you found it?
I found it.
Okay. Come on, y'all wake up. We're working out of our math binder. Then later on we'll do a Nearpod, depending on how much time we have today.
I found it.
Okay. That was you, AJ, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Leela, you found it? Natalie?
Yes.
Okay. Michael, did you find it yet? You're still flipping. I'll give you a minute. Hold on, place value chart. Grab that bad boy. No, I have it right here. Did you find it, Michael? Yep. Azu, did you find it? Or not yet? I don't want to start if you don't have it, because then you're going to get behind. Bubble place value for 2. I can't tell if that's it. Does it say page at the top? I think it says page, place value page, or 2B page 3. You can shake your head, Azu, if it is. Okay, perfect. Just want to make sure. All right, let's get started. What are we gonna write it in? Ooh, expanded notation. And to help y'all out, I've got my place value chart here. On Friday, you're gonna have to draw one of these bad boys for your test. I'll help you draw it. I'm gonna be using green today, my green marker. So, expanded notation. I'm gonna put this in my place value chart. So I know where each one of these numbers is. I won't make y'all draw the place value chart right now, but okay. What place is that 6 in? Y'all want to unmute yourselves, you can.
I'm unmuted. Yeah. Is the millions, I believe.
Expanded notation. What are we doing? We're going to be multiplying here. Each one of these numbers by the place that it is in. So 6 times what? Come on, I don't want just Natalie answering today. Or Vita, or Mariah. I want other people to answer because I want to know that you're able to do this. Because if you can't do it, you're going to have problems. 6 times what? What place is that 6 in?
Do we need grit paper too?
No, y'all don't need grid paper. We're going to use mine today, and then I'll show you later how to make one on your notebook paper. But we'll use my place value chart. And I'll help y'all make one Friday before your test.
Okay.
But I don't want y'all to get grid paper right now. So 6 times what? What place is that 6 in? Natalie said it earlier.
10 million.
Not 10 millions. What place is it in?
Millions.
Multiply 6 times 1 million. So you need the place value plus 5 times what? I know it's kind of hard to see on my place value chart.
5 times 100,000.
5 times 100,000 plus Children, where's the math stuff at? Have it? Okay, making sure. So then 1 times what? Is that 10,000. So 1 times 10,000. 4. So 1 times 10,000 plus 3 times 1,000. Plus, we don't have anything in the hundred, so you don't have to do that one.
Is it 2B page 1 or 2B page 2?
It's page 3.
Then where did it go? Because I had it just a second ago.
What have you been working on, girlfriend? Come on. That's 1 times. Wait, what were you working on? Because you told me the right answer, so what page did you have?
I was looking on yours, but I didn't even know.
Oh man, she needs. Here I was praising her for her independence, and now she's lost. Oops. Once you got that done, I want you to look at number 5, and I want to see what number y'all get on number 5. Let's see. You find it, Natalie?
Yes.
Are we still on the map?
Yes, we're still in the math binder. Page, place value 2B, page 3. Adriana, can you see my screen?
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
is the last one 100 million, right? Like
Which-
the last, like it's 100 million.
Oh, what do you mean, over here?
Yeah.
That's 100 million and billion. Is that what you're talking about? Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you drawing this? Is that what you're doing?
I'm just trying to see what that is. I can't really see.
Yeah, it's 100 million. Yeah, I'm sorry. I wish I had my document camera. I need to try zooming off that camera over there. Maybe off my desktop computer. Maybe it would be better. Document camera. So it probably would be. So it could be a lot bigger. Okay. Number 5, we're going from expanded notation to standard form.
I'm not.
If you finish number 4, look at number 5 and see what number you get.
I think I might have got number 5, but I don't.
Put it in the chat. Let me see what number you got. I'll give you a hint. There's no number in the millions place.
A good location for a library for a good location for a library near school.
Vida, did you finish? Okay. I think Natalie's still working, right, Natalie?
Yes.
AJ, you finished?
Almost.
Right out.
I finished.
Okay.
I think I got my answer.
So number 5,
Yeah.
put it in the chat. I think I told
Okay.
Mariah or Vida to put it in the chat.
Wait, can I put my answer in the chat?
Go ahead. Let me see. Let me see what y'all get. Like I said, there's no number in the millions place. That's a hint.
Ma'am, what page is that?
Place value 2B, page 3.
In the millions.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you because I think it's the computer.
I'll send it in the chat.
Okay.
I send it in the chat.
I'll be there.
Okay, I sent it mine.
Hope you didn't cheat off of hers.
No, I got mine.
Right or not. Good job, guys. Oh, somebody forgot their comma in there. Oh, goodness.
Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh, that was me.
That's okay. You got it right though.
Oh my gosh.
And
I
that's
can't
fine.
believe I did that.
You got it right. It's fine. Sometimes
Okay.
You got it right,
So
Whitney.
you know where my comma was.
So that 7 times 10 million would make it, I'm going to put it in my place value, would make it 70 million, which would be in the tens. Skip a line.
70 million.
We don't have a number times a million, do we? We don't, do we?
No.
No. So then 9 times 100,000 would be 900,000.
900,000.
Times 10,000 would be 60,000. And then 2 times 1,000 would be
Ah, buddy.
1,000.
It's just a trash guy.
4 times 100 would be 400, and then 3 times 10 would be 300 or 30. My bad. And then 5 times 1 would be 5. So your number that you would get would be 70,962,435. Good job, girl.
How big truck is that?
Quickly, Zildjian. Chloe, we're on place value 2B, page 3. Quickly get your math binder.
Circle the digit in the million place.
Oh, yeah.
Can we go into number 6, 7, and 8?
6, 7, and 8. I want to see what y'all get for 6, 7, 8. For 6, it says circle the digit in the 10 million place. I'm going to put it in the place value chart so you can see. Let me put that number in there for y'all. This should probably help. Skip a line. Skip a line. 3, 4, 0, 1, 0, 8, 6, 9. Natalie, Mariah, and Vida, I'm putting y'all in a breakout room to do these problems.
Okay. Okay.
I'm doing them too. Why not me? Can I be in the breakout room, Mrs. Hernandez?
Let's see. Everybody's doing them. Breakout room.
Me. Okay.
I'm gonna give y'all about 4 minutes. I'll give you about 5. Okay. Jacob, Mariah, Natalie, and Vida are gonna be in a breakout room. Join that room, okay?
Okay.
The rest of y'all, ha ha ha. Those girls aren't here to help. And Jacob. So for number 6, it says circle the digit in the 10 millions place. So I wrote the numbers down for y'all in the place value chart already. So don't look at any of these numbers up here. Is it this one? 96? 96, yeah. So look at my place value chart. Audrina, can you see my screen? Yeah, okay. Which number is in the 10 millions place? Y'all are gonna have to answer because I took all of the 4 out that were answering before, and I want to see if y'all know what number is in the 10 millions place. I have the place value chart. All you have to do is go find 10 million and see what number's in there. And if you don't want to talk, you can type it into the chat. I want to see what number is in the 10 millions place from 96,801,043. Good job, Adrina. Make sure you circled it. Somebody else tell me what number is in the 10 millions place. I need one more before we move on.
9.
9. Whoever, was that you, AJ?
Yes.
Good job, AJ. Yes, the 9 million is in the 10 millions place. Good job. You don't even need to use your paper. You can use mine. So it would have been the 9. So circle the digit in the 100,000s place. I want to see if y'all are listening and not just goofing off. And eventually y'all can go to chat rooms. So here's our number right here, 43,778,629. Which number is in the 100,000s place? I'll zoom in so you can see it on mine. Oops. Right here on this number, which number is in the 100,000s place? Quit shaking. I need somebody else. Come on, y'all answer. Are y'all awake over there? It's quiet without the other ones that are in the breakout rooms. If you look at the number right here, which number is in the 100,000s place?
What page are you on?
You're still on place value 2B, page 3. I sent it in the chat to you, RJ.
Okay, I got it.
I need one more person to answer. Michael, where are you going? What number is in the 100,000s place of this number right here? Somebody else. I've already got 2 people answered. I want somebody to tell me. AJ, what place is in the 100,000s place?
The 7. The one behind it.
This one?
No,
This one?
that one.
Let's see. That says 10,000, so right
No,
here.
no, the front. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
The front.
Good job, good job, good job. Checking. Okay, the next one says circle. Oh, this one's hard. This one's hard. I wonder if that group got it. I had to think about this one. Let's see if they got it. Let me check my answer because I did it last night, but let me check to make sure.
We're back.
Did y'all get number 8 or y'all were confused on number 8? Let me check.
I'm kind of confused on number 8, but I know which one is the thousands place, but I just don't know what 100 times.
So the digit in like the thousands place. What's 100 times greater for 7?
I did it last night, but I didn't check my answers.
Oh, I stretched out my favorite sock with my other foot. Hopefully it'll shrink in the washer.
Okay, so it asked us. Oh man, I'm sharing my screen. Sorry, share my screen. Yeah. I'm gonna share my screen. So it asked us circle the digit that is 100 times the value of the 7 in the thousands place. So we know the 7 in the thousands place is this 7 right here. So we need a number that is 100 times greater than that. So if we go to this 2, that's going to be 10 times greater. If we
So
go
it would be the 7, the other 7.
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to multiply by 10 every time you go up. So here would be
That makes sense because it says the 7 and there's only 2 7s.
1,000. Well, there's another 7 way over here. So
Oh, yeah.
every time it goes up, it multiplies by 10. So it would be 10 times and then 100 times. So 10 times 10 would be 100, and then you multiply 10 times 100, which would give you 1,000. So that would be 1,000 times bigger, and then 10,000 times bigger. I don't want to go over that because I've never seen this
I
problem.
was confused the first time, but then when I read it again, I got it, and then I got my answer.
It actually seems pretty easy once you explain it.
Yeah, it's just 10 times greater, and I don't want to go too much into that and use too much of our time on that one problem because I don't think you'll see one of those. I'm not sure that you'll see one of those on your test. Okay, let's go down to 10. We won't do word form on here. We'll save word form when we do near pods. Okay, we'll do word form and near pods. That's when we'll do
It said word form and standard form.
We're gonna skip down to number 10.
Yeah.
Natalie, Mariah, Jacob, the ones that were in those breakout rooms, I do not want y'all answering right now. Okay? I want to hear
Okay.
everybody else answering. So, number 10, we got to go from word form to standard form. So we need the numbers. We got 17,533,692. What's our first number going to be? Somebody tell me.
7.
1.
Okay, somebody tell me.
I heard somebody say 1, 17.
Yeah, that was me.
So we got right here. Let's look at that number first. Remember, I should have put brackets.
Oh, yeah. Oops. Okay, sorry.
Brackets. Our first number is 17, and then we need a comma. What comes after 17? Somebody tell me.
533.
Hey, y'all are forbidden from answering right now. 533. It was like, you could hear crickets when y'all left this room because nobody else wanted to answer. Audrina in the chat. Audrina, I want you to unmute yourself and tell me what number comes next. That last part. So we got 17,533,000. How do I say this last number? Or what are the numbers? You want to write it first and then tell me you can do that. I want to hear you. I know you know, it's just you don't like talking, but I want you to talk.
He was talking a lot yesterday.
So it's 17,533,000, and then I have 692. What are those numbers that come with 692? What are they?
It's gonna be.
Write it on your
I
paper.
want to say it so bad.
It's gonna be the same thing when we come back to class. I'm not gonna let you answer either, because I know you know it. I want to know, because if you yell out the answer, then somebody else is gonna be, oh, that's the answer, but then maybe they don't know why that's the answer, and then come test day, they're like, they don't know what to do. They don't
Yeah.
answer the questions. It's not to be mean. It's just I want to hear and see if everybody's understanding. And if y'all are answering all the time, I don't know if they're understanding what we're doing.
I get it.
692. What does that look like, Audrina? I know you know what it looks like. What are the numbers? Just tell me the numbers. Don't be shy. Don't overthink. Just tell me what you got for that last part. I gave you this part already. What's that? What do those numbers look like?
692.
Yeah, so it's a 6, a 9, and a 2? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Like this? Like this?
Yep.
Yes? Okay, I just want to share. I'm not doing it to be mean. I just want to hear you talk. Because I know you're getting them right. You've been getting them right in the chat. I just want to hear you talk. Yes, that's the way it looks. That what you got? You can shake your head, Audrina. You can mute yourself again. Yeah, that's what you got. Thumbs up. I know you can hear me because I always ask you questions and you always answer back to me. Remember, with these big numbers, put your brackets so that you know, or parentheses or something there. Or if you've got a sticky note on test day, on Friday, go piece by piece by piece. Don't get overwhelmed by all those words.
Okay. Are we gonna do the back or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We're only gonna do 11 because those are big ones. Number 11 on the back side. If these are big, I can tell you, you'll have one on your test on Friday. I can already.
Which statement about Morgan shaded digit is true?
So Morgan wrote the number below. She boxed one digit in the shaded and shaded another. Which statement about Morgan's digit is true? So we're looking, oh man, that's terrible. Which one's true about the shaded digit? So we're looking at this digit right here. Remember, it's either going to be 10 times greater or 1/10.
I already know one to cross out.
What can we cross out knowing that?
C and B.
C and B. Why are we crossing out those two? Natalie,
Because it says 4 times, and then the other C says 1/40th.
if there's anything you remember when you're trying to work out these problems, it's what Natalie just said. It's either going to be 10 times greater or it's going to be 1/10. So if you go through there, you see 4 times, that's not going to be it. And she said 1/40th, that's not going to be it. So if you're going to even try to give yourself a fighting chance because you don't understand what it's asking you, at least get rid of those two that aren't 10 times greater or 1/10 in the answer choice. And you will be more likely to get your answer correct. Okay, so A says the value is 1/10 of the box. Okay, so let me write this in my place value chart for y'all.
Wait, does, like, if it's 10 times greater, does it mean like the shaded part is 10 times greater than that one, or does it mean okay.
Yeah. So like Natalie said, does it mean, let me go through A. So let me go through A. Y'all don't even have to look at your paper. Let's work it out together over here. So the value, we're looking at the shaded digit. We're looking at this one with the arrow. First of all, that's going to be 40,000. So let me write that down right here. 40,000, that's the place. And then the other one's 4,000. Okay. Did I do that wrong? I wrote it too small. That's what I did, right? Yeah. Yeah, I wrote it too small. Sorry. So the value of this 4 is 40,000 is 1/10 of that number. Is that true? Which numbers, I guess think about it. Which number is larger, first of all?
The 4 that's shaded.
So the 4 that's shaded. Oh, I forgot what I was going to say. It was just a good point. Goodness. I had a good point. I just forgot what I was going to say. So would it take 4, so it would take, so you're telling me the larger number is smaller than the smaller number is what that's telling you. Does that make sense? I forgot what I was just going to say. So you say it's 1/10 of something, that means that that number is smaller than the other number. So is 40,000 smaller than the other number?
No, but this is how you would put it, I guess. The 1/10, you're gonna think it's gonna be 1/10. You're always gonna think it's smaller, or you're gonna know it's smaller because 10 times it's 10 times, like 10 times a number. So you're gonna automatically know that the 1/10 is for a smaller number, and 10 times is for a larger number.
I was gonna say, yeah. When you think of 1/10, it's always going to be relating to the smaller number. So it would always be relating to the 4,000. And then 10 times greater is always going to be to the larger number. So if we were just talking about, let me give you an example, 100 and then 1,000, we would say 100 is, let me see, is 100 1/10 of 1,000, or is it 10 times greater than 1,000? It would be 1/10 of 1,000 because it's smaller than 100. It can't be greater than 100, right? Because if you were thinking of money, you're always going to want $1,000 over 100.
Yeah.
So the 1/10 is always going to be talking about the smaller number. So, and you also have to understand place value, because if you don't understand place value, you might think, $10 is greater than 1. Some people might think that. Or when you get into bigger numbers, we'll talk about bigger numbers. Somebody might think, oh, 1 million is greater than 10 million, or 10 million. So another way to help you kind of process that is think of it as money. When I make it money and relatable to some of y'all will know to tell me, oh yeah, $40,000 is way more than $4,000, right? If I were to write any one of y'all a check, y'all would want 40,000, right?
Yeah.
Not 4,000, right? I mean,
Yeah.
that's what I want.
But I wouldn't be that greedy.
Y'all would probably take both, but if I were to give you a check and I accidentally put 40,000 on there, you're definitely going to take it, even though I was only going to give you 4,000. So try to think of money when it comes to that, and it kind of helps a little bit. We're not going to do number 12. I could. So we are on, look how big this number is. Who wants to try to say that number? 3A, page 1. We all there? It's just the next page over. Y'all see that? It's got 350,927,786. Y'all see that?
Which one?
Y'all see my screen or y'all can't see it?
We can, but
It's the next page over. So the page we were just working on was
is it place value 2A or 3A?
3A. 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 Let me zoom in. Place value 3A. Remember, we're not going to do word form on here. We'll go do word form in Nearpod, so you can type it in, and it's a little bit easier. Or we might, yeah. Y'all see place value 3A, page 1? Should be the next page.
I don't have it. I only have 2A, page 2, 2H, page 3. And then if I go over to this way, it's 2B, page 2.
Flip again. Maybe you mix your pages up. Flip another page.
I have 1B.
Are you
I
flipping
have
into the binder? Keep going towards
here.
Did you find it, Audrina? Mariah, you found
Page?
Oh, 3A.
3A, page 1. Come on, y'all, pay attention.
Yes, I found it.
I don't want y'all coming in the middle when we're halfway through asking me what page you're on. I want y'all on that page right now.
I got it.
Not coming in the middle and you're behind. Everybody found it? Jacob?
I found it. Oh, I found it.
Just shake your head. That's all you have to tell me. Michael, you found it? You find your page, Michael? Come on.
I found it. It's on the next page.
Yeah, it's on the next page. It should have been the next page. Woo, we have a big number. Let's start by putting it in our place value chart. I was using green today. 8, 7, 2, 9. Does your place value chart look like mine? Commas. Can't forget my commas. My periods, as they called it. Jacob, are you working ahead? Shake your head if you're working ahead. Yeah. Okay. So I figured. That's a big number. If I were to win the lottery and have that much money, whew, I wouldn't know what to do with myself.
You would buy yourself a new car? Or just put the money in your bank account?
I'd probably have to buy like a new heart because I'd probably have a heart attack from like winning the lottery. And then I'd go live my best life.
Thing.
But yeah,
It's my
you would never know.
house.
Usually when people win the lottery and it's that much money, they go like in hiding because all of a sudden people want money or they might try to
Steal it.
steal it. So usually when they like if you ever watch on the news and the lottery gets that big, when they find out who the winner is, they won't announce who it is because somebody might try to steal it from you. So.
Yeah. So one time, my friend's mom won a huge lottery. So that huge lottery, everyone was trying to steal it.
Exactly.
Steal it. So she bought a safe.
You have
She bought,
friends.
yeah, she bought a safe, and she has this little secret room that came with the house. So in that secret room, she will put the safe.
Yep. Okay, so what place is the 3 in? What place is that?
The 3 is in 100 million.
Yeah, 100 million. So the H still means 100, the T still means 10 million. So yeah, the 100 millions. 100 million. Expanded notation. We'll do expanded notation. So since I know this has a lot of zeros up here, I'm gonna go put this little tip I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 zeros behind that 3. That's crazy. So we're gonna skip word form and we'll do it in our Nearpod so we can just type it in. The Nearpods I think are almost the same thing as this worksheet. I'm gonna make it larger for us to see. So 3 times what? Remember, we're skipping
3.
word form right now. 3 times what?
100 million.
3 times what with 8 zeros?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is a lot of zeros.
Okay, I put this comma in the wrong spot. 5 times
How many commas are there? 3?
2.
2. Oh. Oopsies.
Okay, if you put it in the wrong spot. 7 zeros.
Yeah, I hear mosquito in the background.
You do. I hear her.
There's no digit in the million, so we go down to the 9 million. So 9 times what? Come on.
100,000.
100,000. Plus 2 times 10,000. Come on. I know y'all want a break.
Can I use the restroom?
Hold on. We're going to finish this and then we'll have a break, okay? And then you can go. We're almost. And 7 times
I can't hold it.
1,000. We're almost done with this, AJ. Then plus 7 times 100 plus 8 times 10. I'll help you out.
2 times.
Plus 6 times 1. Hopefully you don't have to do that on your test, but I don't think you do. Oops, y'all can't see that last part. I might try our next part that camera. try it from my desktop computer. See if I can have. Thumbs up and I've got it done.
I'm done.
Almost.
Wait, for a break, can we actually go in the breakout room?
I'm gonna end the meeting so I can save it.
Can I go to the restroom, please?
Yeah, go ahead. If I don't end the meeting, then it's really hard to go.
Are you gonna end the meeting?
Not yet. Did you finish this?
Okay, I'm done.
I'm done too.
Oh, we're gonna do B or no?
We're gonna come back and do B, and then we'll move on. Oh, we have to do that bottom part too. The 7 in the thousands place. Ooh, let me see. Who can I call on to give us this answer? Let me see. I don't want Natalie. I do not want you to answer this one. So,
Okay.
it says the value of the 7 in the thousands place I highlighted is blank the value of the 7 in the hundreds place. So you got 7,700. So is 7,000 1/10 of 100 or is 7,000 10 times greater than 100? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Jacob, did you finish this one right here? The value of the 7 in thousands place, what'd you get? Nope. Vida, do you think you want to try it?
I'm done.
Did you get this one, the value of the 7 in the thousands place?
Yep.
What'd you get?
I got 10 times.
Good job. There you go. If you would have got it wrong, we were not going to have a break today. 10 times. You're lucky she got it right. 10 times. Okay. Until 9:45. Be back here. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, bye.
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 I'm gonna leave the meeting.
Yes. I'm going to end it for all anyways. 9:45 sharp.